Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate a Snapchat account on your iPhone. For example, if you want to have a break from the Snapchat and you want to deactivate it for some time on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store you have to simply search for the Snapchat, and if you see any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, you have to simply open it. And after opening the Snapchat app, you have to simply go to the profile, and here you have to simply click on settings, and here you will find the option of delete account. So you have to simply click on that, and after that you will see this kind of interface. Here is written, first of all you have to simply provide your details, and after that here is written your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You will also lose any chat you have saved and snaps and chats you have seen open. So after 30 days your account will be deleted, so which means if you log back your account within 30 days, then your account will be reactivated again. Simply you have to log in, but if you do not log in your account within 30 days, then your account will be permanently deleted. So you have to make sure about that. And after that you have to simply go back. So in this way you can simply check whether you have activated your account or not. So hope you have liked this video. When I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.